In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a tab, protect sheet, in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to make one tab read only for everyone else while keeping the rest of your spreadsheet open for collaboration. Start by opening your Google Sheet that has at least two tabs. For example, you might have a tab called Data and another called Calculations. This setup makes it easy to protect a master tab while leaving the other one free for editing. Make sure you have editing access to the file. Only editors and owners can set protections. Look down at the bottom of your screen and find the tab you want to protect. Hover over its name, then click the small down arrow next to that tab name. From the menu that appears, choose Protect Sheet. This opens the Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar on the right. You should see your selected sheet listed there. If you want, you can add a short description in this sidebar to remind collaborators what this protection is for, but that's optional. Next, click Set Permissions. A permissions window will pop up. Choose Restrict who can edit this range, and then set it to only you. Confirm your choice. That's it. The tab is now locked down. You can still type and make changes on this tab, but for everyone else, it becomes read only. They'll be able to view the contents, copy data if needed, and work on other tabs, but they won't be able to modify this protected sheet. This is perfect for protecting your master data while letting people interact with other parts of your file. For example, keep data protected to preserve source values, and let collaborators edit calculations or any analysis tabs without risking accidental overwrites. A few helpful notes as you use this feature. Protecting a sheet doesn't hide it. It simply restricts edits. Viewers and commenters already can't edit, but this is especially useful when you share the file with other editors and want to prevent changes on a critical tab. If you later need to grant someone temporary access, come back to the same permissions window and adjust who can edit. You can also leave a short description so teammates know why the tab is locked and where they should work instead. To recap, choose the tab, click the down arrow, select Protect Sheet, open Set Permissions, pick Restrict, who can edit this range, and set it to only you. Your master tab is safeguarded, while the rest of your spreadsheet stays collaborative and flexible.